It's in human nature, the drive to reach higher, to level up. As you navigate your path, you keep pushing your limits to move forward. Looking for what's next is part of who you are, be it a fresh discovery or a different way of doing the same things. In your business, you share this same quest for progress. You embrace new innovations and approaches, all while ensuring your business's long-term sustainability. With products becoming ever more customized, your industry requires dynamism to succeed. Resources are growing scarcer, yet the added value in your products must constantly rise. At Prima Power, we leverage our strong expertise in automation, software and technological integration to help you level up performance. Our modular solutions seamlessly scale and adapt. They go beyond the trade-off between productivity and flexibility, all while simplifying complexities and offering measurable sustainability. We provide continuous support through a consultative approach, so you can focus on your customers while we handle the rest. We are here to guide you towards growth and evolution. Are you ready to level up your business? Partner with us. Evolve by integration.